Let's do this. Hello my friends, and welcome to Jimmy Draws Art. I'm Jimmy Dragon. Well, today we will be unboxing and putting together this Pikachu model that you happen to see here. Yes, this is something different than what I normally do on this channel. There are going to be a few videos I plan on making in the future where I will be doing something different. This is just the first. So let's open up this model and put this together. Well, here we are. All the stuff I will need to put this together. It's supposed to be a simple snap together model. Something that a kid can put together. The instructions look like they're on the inside of the box. That is interesting. Yeah, I think this is going to be an easy model to put together. So here is the first part of building the model. We will be working on the face. It looks pretty simple here. Looks like it's a total of 6 different pieces. Interesting. The cheeks and the mouth are one piece that you just slide in, and so are the eyes. There we go. One finished face. Next we need to work on the ears here, putting these black tips on the top of his ears. And looks like the head is all finished. We just need to put the stickers on different parts of the face. Looks like the little glare spots in his eyes, and looks like the lighter part of his mouth. Actually, it's his tongue. Yeah, we need to stick that stuff on him, and his head will be done. There we go, one completed head. Now that is done, looks like it's on to doing the body. Let's move on then. Okay then, let's get these pieces separated here from this stuff. And it looks like all we do is just put the 2 pieces of his body together. Seems very easy to do. Next we have to get the brown spots on his back. So we'll get these pieces and just put them in his back, just like so. There we go. Looks like Pikachu is starting to take shape here. Looks like it's almost finished. Alright, now let's figure out his back foot. You know, it looks like it's 2 pieces to make the foot. That is interesting. Just trying to figure out how this is going to work. The picture on the box with the instructions are not too clear on how to do this. Ah, there we go. Now let's just slide the foot to the back of Pikachu here. Nice. One fully completed body area. Now let's attach his head and not make Pikachu headless here. There we go. One Pikachu almost done. Now on to the next part. This last part is where we install his tail onto his body. Okay, once again, the instructions are not that clear here. Okay, I figured this out. They made a lot of parts for the tail here. Okay, tail is all finished, being put together, and now let's put it on. Oh, this is an interesting design. Oh, it looks like you can place the tail in any position you want in some ways. Okay, looks like we have one completed Pikachu put together here. This is a pretty cool and fun model to put together. I really enjoyed doing this model. Let's snap some really cool pictures of Pikachu and let's admire how cool this looks. Well, now that I have done this model of Pikachu, let's try and draw it. This is a drawing in our channel, so let's do some kind of art. Well, model building is an art too. So this drawing, I decided to give it a go on the sketch paper first. I sketched this drawing out using my blue pencil. And the blue pencil is getting a little short. So I am happy that I found this pencil extender at my local art store I like to go to. It really is cool that they have these, so you can continue to use your art pencils. Well, I want to use this sketch and put it on my nicer paper, so I happen to be doing a trick I learned years ago by rubbing the graphite on the back of the paper, tracing over the picture, and it will imprint on the nicer paper. Now it's just time to clean up the drawing on the good paper, and it's time to get to the inks. Well, My inking on this drawing was just okay. I did pretty good overall. I usually do a better job with the inks, but by this time, I was getting tired. Well, I did take a small break and was on to the coloring of the drawing. This time I used my Spectrum Noir markers to color the drawing. I like using these markers if you just want to have mostly flat colors down. These markers are very nice for that. Well, it's time to finish off this drawing with the details, so let's pull out my Prismacolor color pencils and finish off this drawing. I like using these color pencils. Okay, well, it's time to put on my final details and give this drawing my signature of approval. Let's review this drawing fully now. Well, I thank you much for watching this video to the end. I hope that you liked Pikachu. If you did, please give this video a like. Also subscribe to the channel for more stuff from me in the future. With that, I thank you much for watching, and we shall see you in the next video. Thanks and bye-bye.